Welcome, welcome, badass businesswomen. This is Unscripted as Fuck, Sales, Sass, and Self-Love with amazing guests. 10 minutes of bold, real, fast truths about being successful in your business. I'm Ann Evanston, and I am thrilled to have you here today. And I want to get started with some fun and valuable insights with my guest today, Suzanne M. Hawkins. Suzanne is the founder of RememHER Coaching, where her background in psychology meets deep emotional and spiritual work for women who feel beyond emotional repair. With a master's in psychology and certification in emotions coaching, she helps sensitive, high achieving women release shame, secrets, and self blame so that they can finally feel like themselves again, steady, seen, and emotionally free. Suzanne weaves sacred tools like oils, crystals, and journaling with grounded emotional work to create powerful, practical transformation. If you've been holding it all together while quietly unraveling, she is your next safe stop. Hi, Suzanne. Welcome to Unscripted as Fuck.
Hi, Ann. Thank you.
I'm excited to have you ready. You ready to have you with us? Are you ready to like get going on these crazy little questions that I do?
Oh, you bet.
Okay. So I'm going to start with sales because you know what I say, if you're not selling, are you really in business? So sales are an important part. So what do you think is the biggest lie women in business are told about making it successful?
Following the leader. So
Mm.
I had never sold anything, and when I started, it was somebody saying, "Do as I do, do as I do,
Ah,
do as I do, do as I do. Don't you see what they're doing?" type of thing. And it doesn't work. I'm not them. I'm me. And
mm,
um, and I found that to also be my biggest stumbling block. So
ah,
yeah, it's a big giant paradigm of yeah, it's all laid out for you. Just follow the steps.
I love this. So, and you know, it's an interesting thing for me as a salesperson teaching people sales. I really do think sales scripts work, right? Understanding how to open to a sale, how to close a sale. Yet the messy middle, I would say, right? It's that messy middle part that I got to be me. I got to frame the script in a way that's my personality, my style, my way of engaging with people. Would you agree with that?
Oh, 100%. a
Yeah.
100%. And I glean that from you too. It's
Mm,
like there are some things that you do that the greats have done, but
mhm.
you're also very much you.
Yeah.
So you don't just mimic somebody else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's the piece. So if you are being told by somebody, just do exactly what I do and you will be perfect here, even take all my posts and my copy and just use them on social and you'll be successful. Suzanne's advice is change that.
Yes. Yes,
Oh,
yes, yes.
okay. So I got some sass for you. All right. Let's get sassy. What is a rule you were told to follow that you have broken?
Oh my goodness. To be quiet and to grow up. Yeah. I I
And you did
found
it first, right?
I
You did.
did. I did,
Oh,
and it wasn't working for me. And it doesn't have anything about being not responsible or anything like that, but I feel that actually my strongest when I allow my inner child to lead.
yeah.
So she's not dumb. She's not a little kid. She is grown up and
Yeah.
she is pretty sassy. So
I love that. So, you know, this belief that, you know, as a woman, you're supposed to act a certain way and behave a certain way and speak a certain way. And, you know, no, let that go. Screw that shit. Who are you, bold ass businesswoman? And be her, play with her, have fun in that experience, is what I'm hearing you say.
yes, very much so. I that when I am embracing that part of me, I don't care what others think. You
Mm,
either like me as I am or move
yeah.
on. If I'm working to be in that mold of grow up, shut up,
Mm,
I overthink everything and wonder, well, how come this didn't work? Why didn't you like me? Why didn't
ooh,
this? So yeah.
yeah. Well, and then also if you're in that mode, you're attracting those people who you don't want. You don't even realize it until you start working with them and you're like, what the hell did I just do to myself? Right? This is not
Yes.
working because now I have
And,
all these really serious people and I want them to play with me and they're not playing.
and then there's a lot of housekeeping to do
Yeah,
after.
yes, right.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, that was a fabulous answer. Okay, number three, self-love. What did you have to let go of for you in order for your business to grow?
That I'm not enough, that what I have isn't contributing to anybody.
Mhm.
So, if somebody out there tells me that I'm great, that I offered this, I don't receive the compliment. I just kind of kick the dirt and be like, "Oh, I'm not good enough," because I've
Mm.
always heard that's you're not good enough. So, yeah. So that
Yeah.
was the biggest thing, was that I do add value to people's lives. So
Mhm.
I am of value.
Yeah, I love that. I am a value, and you know my favorite saying is I am a lot, and that's perfect.
That I love that.
And you are too, right? There's no,
Very much so. Yeah.
yeah, why are we limiting ourselves as women? We get to be all the things we want to be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's no more of this children should be seen and not heard type of thing. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, and that belief system of uh you know somebody saying you're too loud or you're too silly or you're too playful or you act too much like a child, right? And that's where you got to go, well, kick rocks.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay, word association. Hair in a bun or down wild?
Down wild.
Okay,
Down wild,
love
definitely.
that. Fits today. Good thing. Um, the algorithm on Facebook is,
A lie.
ooh,
Yeah.
love that answer. Okay, good. If you had my katana in your hand right now, you would cut through what?
Cut through a bunch of puppet strings. I know that I'm still on a journey, and I still can see where I'm being marionetted, and or allowing
So
myself to be a marionette, and I would take that katana and just swipe it through all of those.
I love that.
And
So those strings and relationships that is still allowing or still creating that forced being something that they want you to be, just cut them down.
yeah, cut them down. Yeah, so
I
I'm
love
completely, yeah, 100% authentic without looking over my shoulder thinking that I've done
that.
somebody a disservice. So,
Yeah.
yeah,
Or I wasn't enough for somebody.
or enough. Yeah, that's a
Mhm.
really good one. Yeah, not enough
Mhm.
for someone. Yeah, because
I
if I
love that.
wasn't, that's on them, not me. I did my best. I
Amen.
always do my best. So, yes.
Truth spoken right there. I love
Yes.
that. All right. Well, thank you, Suzanne. This was amazing. So, for my audience, which again, it's all written down below, but how can they find you, or do you have a special offer or something for them that we've put below the video?
I do. I have a 7 day self-love, or not self-love, self-exploration to tap into for a week. And any women that resonated with our conversation, I would love for them to find me on Facebook.
Mhm.
And I've got a website coming, but until then, catch me on Facebook, and my Sacred Self-Care Guide will be emailed to them.
Fabulous. I love that. And that's a mic drop for Suzanne today, everybody. She did an incredible job. Thank you. Please join me tomorrow for our next thing. The only days that are sacred are Sunday on Unscripted as Fuck. Yet hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. And do come join me in my Badassery business group on Facebook. It's a tribe of women that want you to grow and have success. Thank you, everyone, for an amazing day. Thank you, Suzanne. And I'll see you soon. Bye now.